All right, guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about the awesomeness of hang tags. How something as simple as a little hang tag can make such a big difference in the professionalism and the overall look of your brand. Video coming up right now. What's up, guys? Gary and Janae from Around the Way, t-shirthelpdesk.com. And in this video, it's going to be a real simple video. I'm going to go over something as simple as hang tag. All right, this is the part of branding. And this is some of the little things like a little hang tag that takes your business to the next level. Okay, this is something, it could be point of purchase, meaning when people see it, or when people see it in a store, when people see it when you're outside selling on the street. It just, I don't know, it's one of those things where it gives perceived value. Something little like this takes the value of your brand. It kicks it up a notch. So I'm going to show you a few samples, and then I'm going to show you how you can get hang tags done. If you're not an artist, you can have the artwork done for you. We're going to go over all of that in this video.
All right, so right here, I just want to go through and show you some hang tags. This is a really great way to add some pizzazz, to add some branding magic. There's a video that I did, which is called How to Make Your Little T-Shirt Business Look Like a Big T-Shirt Business. And these are the little things that take your brand to the next level. Of course, you have to have great designs, but this is it right here. So I just want to show you some really great hang tag designs. All right. And then I'm going to get into how you can take something like this and make something yourself. Now, if you know how to design, you know what to do. But for those of you guys who don't know how to use Illustrator and Photoshop and all that good stuff, I'm gonna show you something, okay? So let's go to the videotape.
All right, guys, so now we're going to go into Design Crowd, and we're going to show you how you can put up a design brief and put up a project and get some awesome hang tags done. So let's go.
Okay, so for those of you guys who don't know, this is what I call a design brief. So just to let you know, I made up a brand called, because I love to make up brands, called True Prosperity. I hope I spell prosperity right. But it's called True Prosperity. It's kind of a take on True Religion, but I'm talking about prosperity. Got the little cherub angel right here. And I'm going to make a hang tag based upon another hang tag right here. So pretty much what I did was I just pretty much said, hey, do this, add my logo here, change the established to this year, 2018, and anything that I wanted to stay the same, I said, like right here, keep the term handcrafted quality. And over here, this is the shape that I want. Please use this shape. And it's pretty much that simple. All you do, guys, is you find something that you like, right? So for instance, earlier, I showed you these. So you just find something that you like and you have them make a version of it. It's really simple. Hey, I want you, let's right here. Hey, I want you to have the picture. I want it to say your name. You give them the logo and whatever. I want this to say your name and put a teacup or whatever. You just tell them what you want. You want your version of it. It's really, really simple, guys. So I tell them that, and then I save this, and then I go over to Design Crowd. Let's go over. I go over here, and I go over to Post a Project, and you know the routine. What's it going to be? T-shirt design? I'm just going to do graphic design. All right. So let me name the project, and we're going to name it hang tag for T-shirt. And I'm going to say, please see design brief attached. This way I don't have to write it all. They know where to go get that bad boy. Okay. So of course I always do my joint for 2 days. Okay. 2 days. And right here, I'm going to drop my design brief. All right. And it's as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Then we're going to hit continue. You know, I'm going to do 1 to 3 designs. All right. And you can go right here and you put in your information. Okay. Visa, PayPal, Skrill, Stripe, and you submit. And there you have it. And we're going to come back in a couple of days and we're going to see what's really going on. All right. That's it, guys. Design Crowd.
And like that, it is 2 days later. So let's go into our account. Let's see what's popping. We're going to go to AllRide. So let's take a look. Very nice. Wow. Great job. Look at this, guys. These are your hang tags that's going. I mean, I could stop right here. This is how awesome this is. But I mean, this is great. This is great. And for you guys that, like I said, if you don't know Photoshop, you don't know Illustrator, you're not artistically inclined, just do give them good direction and let the professionals handle it for you. And that's what Design Crowd is here for, guys. Now, this one, I don't know what they were thinking. Let's look at this one. Very nice. Let's go to full screen on this bad boy. Once again, we have someone that, I mean, look at this. This is beautiful hang tag. Beautiful hang tags that you can have on your clothing. And this is the little things outside of screen printing, outside of the actual designs that take your design to the next level. This is branding, okay? This is branding. All right, let's check out this one. Very, very nice. And you can see it looks like real foil. Oh, let's go back. They made it look like real foil. Wow, these guys are good. Look at this. Fantastic. Look at this one. This one, they mocked it up. I mean, they didn't follow. They still added that Jeremiah thing. You can always go in. This is great. You can always go in and tell them if they made a mistake. Hey, just go in. You can start right here. Boom. And give your feedback. This is the great thing about Design Crowd, is that you can get something that's almost there perfect. So you just go and you tell them, hey, I love it, but could you do this, and get something back. Now this one is a little bit different than what I asked for, but it's beautiful. He did a great job. It will be a question of sending this to a company like Clothing Labels for You and saying, because this might have to be die cut, and saying, hey, could you do something like this? How much would something like this cost? But very good job nonetheless. And let's take a look at this one. Once again, great job. So what I'm going to do, guys, as always, I'm going to have you guys select a winner. Okay, so I'm going to put a poll in so you guys can go down and vote. But always remember that this is the key to taking your line to the next level. Branding.
All right. I'm going to do a series of these showing you how to brand and how you can use Design Crowd to help take your branding to the next level, especially for you guys that are not artistically inclined and you understand the importance of hiring good people. All right. Go down and let's make it happen. Peace.
Okay, guys, so that was it. Something so simple, all right? So simple can take your line to the next level, all right? So make sure that you get some custom artwork done. And also, I got a little something for you. Go right now to the link in the description box. You just go to designcrowd.com/t-shirt help desk and get $100 off. All right, $100 off. I mean, can't beat that with a stickball bat. Check them out, okay? And as always, cheers to your t-shirts. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. As always, I love you. God bless you. Finna put some butt on these shoes and slide on out the door. Until next time, peace.